welcome to how to add song in Instagram post. So in this video we are going to show you how to add song in Instagram post. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Instagram, and after opening up Instagram, what you're gonna have to do here is just go into your profile. Then to add a post, tap on this plus icon. And now let's suppose that if I wanted to add this as a post, I will open up this post and tap on next. And then what are we going to do here? That here you can see that Instagram has automatically shared with me some of the trending audios. Okay, and if you don't see this here, you will tap on next, and then from here you can see this option where it says add music. Simply tap on it, and now these are the trending audios that you want to add. If you can also browse from here, if you have any saved audios, you can add it from here, and you can even search for the music here. So just simply tap on add music, and then on for you tap on this one, and you can select a section of the song, and now the music has been added. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.